In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset Razer Barracuda X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have any model of the Razer Barracuda headset, you can easily reset it by pressing a specific combination of buttons. So, specifically for this video, I'm showing the Barracuda X, but it will work for other models as well. So in order to perform a factory reset for the Barracuda X headset from Razer, what you have to do is press and hold the power button. So basically, first, turn off the headset. So if it is currently powered on, connected to a PC, a smartphone, or any other device, power it off. After it has been powered off, press and hold the power button until it flashes purple, so red and blue. Then it will say reset device. So to keep it simple, make sure that it is powered off and then press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds or until you hear reset device. You will also see the LEDs flash red and blue, which in turn should flash purple. So all that you have to do is press and hold the power button after properly turning off the headset completely. After this process is done, it will be reset to factory settings, and you should now be able to connect it to any device, so your PC, a smartphone, anything that is compatible, using any of the modes available. This is the only combination of buttons available for the Razer Barracuda X to perform a factory reset. If this does not work, you can try restarting the headset again, so turn off the headset, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Besides this, there is not much else that you can do. The main way is always going to be by pressing and holding the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until you see the LED blink blue, red, or purple rapidly. This indicates that the reset was performed. If you are still experiencing trouble with this, try connecting it to the Razer software to see if it downloads any of the necessary drivers or such, or you could have a faulty unit, so make sure to contact the Razer support. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Razer Barracuda X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.